Installing a central vacuum during new home construction is one of the highest value upgrades for convenience and allergy control. Plan piping runs in parallel with framing to minimize drywall penetrations and run a continuous main line from inlet ports to the power unit location in the garage or utility room, using smooth wall PVC size to the motor and planned accessory use. For typical single-family layouts, choose a 2.5-inch main for robust suction and future-proofing, and avoid using many tight elbows which reduce performance, so route straighter runs or use long sweep elbows. Mount the power unit on a vibration isolator and install a separate dedicated electrical circuit with appropriate breaker and conduit access, so the unit runs cleanly and codes are met, and position the unit near a drain or condensate trap if the model requires it. Include inlet ports in key rooms like the kitchen, living room, master bedroom, and entryways, spacing them so a standard 3-meter hose can reach most cleaning areas, and plan a hose hang or storage near an entry port for convenience. Select a motor size based on house square footage and intended use, erring on slightly higher airflow for carpeted homes and towards high sealed suction for hard floor cleaning, and consider motors rated for continuous duty if frequent whole house cleaning is expected. Add a high-efficiency particulate air filtration option or a sealed disposable bag system if occupants have allergies, and place exhaust to the outdoors or through a sealed waste line if required by local code to avoid recirculating dust into the living space. Pay attention to quiet operation by choosing units with sound insulation and locating the power unit in a conditioned utility space away from occupied rooms, and always include a range of accessories such as power heads, crevice tools, and dusting brushes to maximize the system utility. Common mistakes include undersizing the piping, which kills performance and causes frequent clogs, so use at least 2.5-inch piping for most houses and avoid multiple sharp bends. Another issue is poor inlet placement that forces dragging hoses through doorways and up and down stairs, so map inlet locations to cleaning patterns and ensure each covers a practical radius for a 3-meter hose. A third mistake is neglecting quieting and vibration isolation, which makes the system a noise nuisance. So mount the power unit on isolation pads, box it in a ventilated closet if possible, and choose models specified for low decibel output. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors who install central vacuum systems and compare basic options and pricing in our community. We connect contractors with project opportunities and host a discussion community where we and other members share installation experiences, tips, and product recommendations.